Welcome to Late Night Evening with Vida. And for tonight's video, we're going to show how we are now slowly releasing these 14-pin connectors, which works for the Ioniq 5 SEL and SE trim, not the limited. And I believe this also works for the EV6, but the wiring is going to be a little different. So what we did with the harness is, as you can see, it's completely plug and play. And how it works is that this end here is your male plug, and this is your female plug. Your female plug goes into your currently headlights. So what you do is you'll take this piece off of your headlight and then plug it in to the tail end as such, and then plug this in back to the headlight. So basically you're creating a middle piece. I'll call it a Y harness. So allowing you not to have to tap into the wire. We also added in this 2-pin wire for our sequence kit, but it also works for the emblem. These all have to be separately ordered and tailor designed. Not complex, but we do wire it for you in advance. So how it works is that once you plug in this harness to your headlights, all you have to do is tape down your sequence light and then just simply plug in that and making it all completely plug and play. So when you're done, you can simply disconnect, take this harness off, and then put the regular harness back on. So again, your headlights are typically plugged in like this. You don't have this in unit because this is the remaining wire. So this plugs in currently, pretending like it's your headlight, into your headlight. So you take this end off, and then you put this adapter in between it. So now you plug this into the headlight and then plug the existing headlight into this end. And then all you do is you connect our 2-pin wire to whether it's your emblem or your sequence light. And then once connected, as you can see, it'll light up. So that's the video for tonight for our plug and play harness. We do sell it separately. When you order the harness, we will reach out to you asking if you have an Ioniq 5 or a EV6, and then if you have a non-US trim, we would have to provide further guidance. The other methodology is that we can just sell you the harness by itself and then include our taps, but instead of tapping into the original harness, you're tapping into this secondary harness so that you can take it apart when it's all said and done. You do have that option as well. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our customer support. Have a good night.